I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your Wi-Fi password from an Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android phone or tablet. Next, locate and tap on the Network and Internet or Connections option, depending on your device's specific interface. Finally, select Wi-Fi to see a list of all the networks your device has connected to or can detect. Once you are in the Wi-Fi settings, tap on the specific network whose password you wish to find. You will then see an option to share the network, often represented by a small QR code icon. Tapping this will securely generate a unique QR code on your screen. This code contains all the necessary information, including the network's name and its password, ready for sharing. Now grab a second device, like another Android phone or a tablet, and open its camera or a dedicated QR code scanner application. Point the second device's camera at the QR code displayed on your first Android device. The scanner will quickly read the code and immediately show you the Wi-Fi network's name, also known as the SSID, and the password in an easy-to-read format on the second device's screen. This QR code method is the most reliable and secure way to access a saved Wi-Fi password on Android. Due to strong security measures, Android typically doesn't allow direct viewing of passwords. The built-in QR code sharing feature provides a safe workaround, ensuring you can share or retrieve credentials without compromising your device's security. It's a simple, two-device process that avoids complex procedures or risky third-party software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.